Today I'm continuing my reflections on some of the most important women in the history of Christianity whom you've never heard of. And so today I want to say a few words about Hildegard von Bingen, Hildegard of Bingen, who lived between the years 1098 and 1179. She was a German Benedictine abbess in charge of an abbey. She was a writer, composer, philosopher, Christian mystic, and visionary. She is known as one of the best-known composers of sacred monophony. Monophony is a style of music in which there is a simple melody and simple lyric sung by one person who's playing a single instrument. She is probably the most well-recorded composer in modern history. She also has been considered by many in Europe to be the founder of scientific natural history in Germany. Her fellow nuns elected her abbess in the year 1136. She then went on to found two more monasteries. She wrote theological, botanical, and medicinal texts, as well as letters, liturgical songs for women choirs to sing, and poems. There are more surviving chants by Hildegard than by any other composer from the entire Middle Ages. And she is one of the few known composers to have written both the music and the words, hence the monophony. One of her works, called the Ordo Virtutum, is an example of liturgical drama, and it is also arguably the oldest surviving morality play. If that weren't enough, she is also noted for constructing a language all of her own, which she called lingua ignota, the unknown language. So here you have a woman of many talents, great skill, and great holiness. I hope you've enjoyed this little mini biography of Hildegard of Bingen, and I hope that you have a wonderful day today.